Now I will be teaching you the usage of will have to. Will have to. It is used when we are indicating some future necessity or obligation, or it is used often when discussing something unavoidable that can't be avoided. And which are the positive sentences that can be made out of will have to? I will have to go. I will have to go. That is a future necessity. I will have to attend the meeting tomorrow. It is necessary to attend the tomorrow's meeting. She will have to inform her boss about the delay. We will have to leave early to catch the train. It is also needed in the future. He will have to finish the project by next week. Next week only he'll be finishing the work, but it is a necessary thing. And which are the negative sentences that can be constructed? Negative means including not with this. I won't have to go. I want. Will plus not is want. I won't have to travel tomorrow. She won't have to stay late at work. We won't have to wait in line if we book tickets online. He won't have to attend the event if he is not feeling well. You won't have to worry about it. I'll handle everything. And now we'll be looking into some of the questions that can be made out of will have to. Will I have to submit the documents by Monday? Will she have to work on the weekend? How long will we have to wait here? That is a question. How long will we have to? Will they have to travel all night to reach the destination? What will I have to do to complete this task? That is future thing, but we are asking it as a question. These are some of the questions that can be made out of will have to. And some comparison examples include you have to finish the work today. That is a present obligation. Present happening is conveyed here. You will have to finish the work by tomorrow. That is future thing. Tomorrow you have to complete the work. How much do we have to pay now? It is asking about the present thing. Now indicates the present thing. How much will we have to pay at the counter? That is will have to is there, so it is future. How long should I wait here? That is asking an advice. How long should is an advice. And how long should I wait here? How long will I have to wait here? Describing the future situation. Will is included there, so it is a future situation described here. And some fresh examples include the students will have to submit their assignments by Friday. The team will have to improve their performance in the next match. Will I have to explain everything again? Will she have to present the report to the board members? We will have to find a better solution for this issue. We will have to find a better solution for this issue. That is something that is happening in the future. In the future, a solution has to be found out for the problem encountering now. These are the fresh examples for this particular usage.